SAP Analytics Cloud Use Cases. The three use cases we will cover for SAP Analytics Cloud pertaining to planning are financial planning and analysis, headcount planning, and cost allocations. Financial planning and analysis. Industry or line of business. Financial planning and analysis is something that is done across all industries and lines of businesses. The customer situation. Financial planning is the task of determining how a business will afford to achieve its strategic goals and objectives. The financial plan describes each of the activities, the resources, equipment, and materials that are needed to achieve these objectives, as well as the time frame involved. You can build a plan from the top down, starting with estimated revenue and calculating how much in expenses you can afford, or from the bottom up, beginning with expenses and determining how much revenue you will need to meet them. The fact is, this process is circular and requires both a best guess at expenses and what-if approach to revenue and gross profit targets. The solution that addresses this, SAP Analytics Cloud. How does the solution address the pain points? SAP Analytics Cloud provides line of business users the ability to perform both top-down and bottoms-up planning using a modern, collaborative, and business-centric interface. With all the data in one place, planners can feel confident that the data is current and secured. Data input using an Excel-like interface is very simple. Why is the solution great for this situation? SAP Analytics Cloud provides the collaboration and common capabilities that allow business users to communicate during this circular and iterative process for full transparency. Workflow and task assignment also provides transparency on where planners are during a given planning process. What was the result of the situation? SAP Analytics Cloud empowers decision makers with real-time analytics and enables full transparency, what-if modeling, and collaboration in planning processes to improve communication and decision making. This allows time back to planners for value-added activities. Headcount planning, the basics. Headcount planning is something that is done across all industries by human resources. HR is challenged to align and standardize the headcount and budgeting planning process. Headcount planning is a core function of HR and is related to the systematic identification and analysis of what an organization is going to need in terms of the size, type, experience, knowledge, and skills of its workforce to achieve its objectives. The solution is SAP Analytics Cloud. How does the solution address the pain points? SAP Analytics Cloud provides human resources the ability to perform bottoms-up planning by department using a modern, collaborative, and business-centric interface. With all the data in one place, HR can feel confident that the data is current and secured. Data input using an Excel-like interface is very simple. Why is the solution great for this situation? SAP Analytics Cloud provides the collaboration and common capabilities that allow HR and department leads to communicate during this circular and iterative process for full transparency. What was the result of the situation? SAP Analytics Cloud empowers decision makers with real-time analytics and enables full transparency, what-if modeling, and collaboration in planning processes to improve communication and decision making. This allows time back to planners for value-added activities. Cost allocations. Cost allocations is something that is done across all industries and lines of business. Cost allocations is a process of providing relief to shared service organization cost centers that provide a product or service. In turn, the associated expense is assigned to internal clients' cost centers that consume the products and services. For example, the CIO may provide all IT services within the company and assign the cost back to the business units that consume each offering. The solution that solves this issue, SAP Analytics Cloud. How does the solution address the pain points? SAP Analytics Cloud provides a simple-to-use graphical user interface that provides business users the ability to simulate costs, revenue, and profitability in seconds with full transparency. For many companies, this is a lengthy, manual, and debatable process between legal entities and cost or profit centers. Why is the solution great for this situation? SAP Analytics Cloud provides an easy-to-use interface to build and execute allocations with just a few clicks that is super fast, allowing the business to run multiple simulations as needed. Unlike other allocation engines in the market, there is no code to write, and it can handle very large volumes of data. What is the result of the situation? SAP Analytics Cloud provides full transparency as to why, how, and by whom costs are being transferred. That concludes the use cases portions of SAP Analytics Cloud. For more information, please visit this URL or scan this barcode with your mobile device. Thank you.